China has unveiled new military technology. This technology is grabbing headlines. It involves a very large aircraft. This aircraft acts as a mothership. It is designed to carry many drones. Some sources claim up to 100. This is a significant development. It marks a new capability for China. The world's military analysts are watching. This could be a major shift. So, what exactly is a drone mothership? Imagine a huge aircraft flying high. This plane is not for fighting itself. Instead, it carries many smaller aircraft. These smaller aircraft are unmanned drones. The mothership launches these drones mid-air. It acts like a mobile flying base, extending the reach and number of drones. A powerful concept for modern warfare. This idea is now becoming reality. The most striking claim is its capacity. This Chinese plane can carry many drones. Reports suggest a staggering number, up to 100 individual drones. This is a massive payload of them. Think about that quantity deployed, all launched from a single platform, creating an almost instant drone swarm. The scale is truly ambitious. It represents a new level of threat. This news has caused quite a stir. It surprised many observers globally. Why the widespread shock and awe? Few anticipated such a large-scale system, at least not operational or near it. China's military technology advances rapidly. This mothership is clear evidence. It forces other nations to reassess. They must consider China's growing capabilities. A potential game-changer is here. How does such a system function? The large mothership flies to an area. It will likely be a modified large plane, perhaps a bomber or transport aircraft. Once in position, it releases drones. These could be ejected from tubes, or dropped from internal bays or racks. The drones then activate and fly, performing their programmed missions. Recovery of these drones is complex. These drones are not just individuals. They are designed to work together. This cooperation is called a swarm. Imagine 100 drones communicating, coordinating their flight paths and actions. They can overwhelm enemy sensors, or focus their efforts on one target. A networked group is more powerful than many drones acting alone. This is a key part of the concept. Other nations are exploring similar ideas. The United States has several programs. For example, the XQ-58A Valkyrie. This drone can fly with crewed jets. The Gremlins program aimed to air launch and recover small drone swarms. These are important developments too, but the Chinese claim is notable, mainly because of the sheer numbers. 100 drones is a massive difference. What makes China's concept stand out? The primary factor is scale, deploying 100 drones at once. This presents enormous technical challenges. Command and control are very complex. Data links must be very robust, but the potential payoff is also huge. It could saturate enemy defenses or provide unparalleled surveillance coverage. It is a bold technological statement. This technology could reshape air warfare, a sky filled with coordinated drones. This poses a new kind of threat. These drones can carry sensors or weapons. They can confuse sophisticated air defenses, making it harder for pilots to operate or for ground systems to cope. It is a new tool for power projection, achieved without risking human pilots. Future air combat might look very different. Surveillance capabilities would also expand. 100 drones can observe vast areas. They can spread out for wide coverage, or focus on specific points of interest, providing persistent, real-time intelligence. This information is incredibly valuable for military commanders and planners, or for monitoring large remote regions. It's like having countless eyes in the sky, making it difficult for adversaries to hide. Experts are analyzing this development. Many are impressed by the ambition. They acknowledge its transformative potential. If it works as advertised, of course. Others express some healthy skepticism. They point to the immense difficulties effectively controlling so many drones, especially in a hostile environment. Communications can be jammed or lost, but most agree it is significant. There are definite challenges and limits. Managing a swarm of 100 drones. This requires very advanced AI and highly secure communication networks. The individual drones might be small, perhaps with limited range or payloads. The mothership itself is a large target, a high-value asset for an enemy. If found, it would be vulnerable. These are crucial factors to consider. This Chinese drone mothership is important. It has true game-changing potential for China's expanding military might, and consequently, for global security. It signals rapid progress in key tech. Drone warfare is clearly evolving fast. This represents a substantial leap. The implications are far-reaching. Everyone should be paying attention. This is not just a niche topic. Such capabilities can shift power dynamics if one nation masters this technology, while others lag significantly behind. It creates a distinct military advantage. Other countries will likely respond by trying to develop similar systems or by creating effective countermeasures. This can fuel a new arms race, focused on autonomous aerial systems, a new chapter in military competition. Why should the general public be concerned? This is more than just military hardware. It directly impacts international relations. It can alter strategic stability. New and powerful weapon systems often increase tensions between nations. They can make conflicts more likely, or more destructive if they occur. Understanding these trends is vital for citizens in every country. In conclusion, this development matters greatly. China's drone mothership is a signal. It points towards a future where autonomous systems play a larger role, where air warfare becomes more complex. We must continue to monitor these advances and understand their strategic implications. The world of defense technology changes fast. This airborne innovation is clear proof it will shape the coming decades.